Hey guys, welcome back to Stock My Closet. For today's project, I have taken 2 meter cotton fabric and fabric width is 40 inches. And this is a measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. I'll start with cutting, and for that I have folded the fabric by half in length. Length is 36.5 inches. Here I have two lengths and I have cut out width of fabric 35 inches. Now from the top corner, mark 3 inch downwards. Extend it to the end, and from this side mark 4 inches inwards. Join these points. Now from this point I'll mark the radius, which will be hip round plus ease divided by 3.14. In my measurement, hip round is 40 inches and I'm adding 2 inches of ease. So 40 plus 2 is 42, and dividing it by 3.14 I'll get 13 inches. So from the top corner I'll mark 13 inches downwards. Now keep the measuring tape on this point and mark the same point 13 inches till the other end. So this will be the waist. Now from waist I'll mark crotch, that is hip round divided by 3. In my measurement, hip round is 40 inches and 40 divided by 3 is 13 inches. So I'll mark a point at 13 inches. Extend this point outwards. Mark the same point on the other side. And now I'll draw crotch curve. Now from waist I'll mark the length, that is 18 inches. Measure the same from the top corner. This is 32 inches. Now keep the measuring tape on this point and mark the same 32 inches till the other end. Now measure and mark midpoint on the waist. So this is 20 inches. Midpoint will be half of 20, that is 10. Now on the front side with the crotch width 3 inches, mark 1 inch downwards from the waist and join it with the midpoint like this. And with this marking is complete, now I'll cut it out. So shorts cutting is complete. Now I'll start stitching, and firstly I'll stitch both front and back crotch curves. So I've stitched the crotch and I've overlocked it. Now I'll finish the bottom round. Just double fold the seam allowance and make a stitch on the inner edge to secure it. So I've stitched the bottom round. Similarly, I'll stitch it on the other side. I have marked tuck on the center of the waist on both sides. Now hold the center point and join front and back crotch like this. Join the inner side of the shorts and make a stitch. So I made a stitch, and lastly I'll attach the belt. Measure shorts waist. This is around 22 inches, and I have cut out belt 23 inches in length. I'll be using 1 inch wide elastic, so I have taken belt width 3.5 inches, and I have cut belt in two pieces. Now before attaching belt with the shorts, make small cuts all around the shorts waist, as it helps to join curve shape of waist with the straight belt. Firstly, I'll attach and join both pieces of belt. Open the seam and set the crease. Now fold the belt by half like this and place it on the shorts waist, right sides together, and now make a stitch all around the waist. So I made a stitch. Now I'll join the end points of the belt and trim the extra fabric, and this is how it will look. Now I'll finish the seam. Just leave around 1 inch of space to insert the elastic. So I made a stitch and I have overlocked it, and I have inserted the elastic. Now join both end points and make a stitch to secure it. So I made a stitch. Now stretch the elastic like this and close the opening left to insert the elastic. And lastly, I'll make few stitches on the belt. It keeps the elastic in place and distribute gathers all around the waist equally. And with this, my flared shorts is ready, and this is how it looks. I just love this pattern, shorts with the skirt vibe. Must try for your summer wardrobe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.